Accept the challenge so that we can feel the acceleration of victory Georgia spent. October 2nd is the 275th day of the year in Georgian calendar. 90 days remain until the end of year. Good, better, best, never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best. So my dear children, put your hands together to welcome a day. Today is a day is not like yesterday. It is a day, a man who made us to stand in front to have us pride is none other than Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Was born on October 2, 1869. Being an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead successful campaign for Indian independence. My dear children, due to pandemic situation, we are unable to do it as a live program. Henceforth, we bring it in virtual. Let us follow the path what Mahatma Gandhi shown and taught us to follow. Thank you.
India proudly celebrates three national festivals. They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Every year, October 2nd is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. The day marks the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The father of our nation was a great leader and fought for India's freedom from the British. He sacrificed his entire life as a freedom fighter and walked on the path of peace and non-violence. The day is also internationally recognized as International Day of Non-Violence. Educational institutions conduct the proceedings of the day with much fanfare and convey Gandhian values and teachings to children. The day is observed as a public holiday and all government offices and banks remain closed. The day provides an excellent opportunity to serve the society with useful campaigns on cleanliness and encourage all communities to come together and establish a peaceful society. Thank you.
Ready.
India celebrates October 2nd as national holiday to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhiji, the father of our nation. The day is observed by conducting many associated events like campaigns, peace, walkathons, marches, cleanliness, rallies, speeches, essays and debate competitions. The day marks the celebration of Gandhian values like peace, integrity, truth and non-violence across every state and union territory of India. The patriotic spirit of the nation is upheld by political leaders who offer their prayers and homage at Rajghat, New Delhi in respect of the great leaders. Flowers, devotional songs and bhajans are offered near at Rajghat together with his famous hymn of Raghupati Raghava Rajaram. Gandhi was a law student and he completed his studies from England and carried on with his practice in South Africa where he faced discrimination for the first time. Gandhiji fought against untouchability and discrimination and considered weaker sections of society as Harijans, that is, children of God. United Nations has declared October 2nd as International Non-Violence Day. Thank you.
நான் காந்தி 1869 அக்டோபர் திங்கள் 2ஆம் நாள் கரம்சந்த் காந்தி புத்லிபாய் நேருக்கு மகனாக பிறந்தேன். என் சிறுவயதில் முதலாக நான் ஒரு நேர்மையாக மாணவனாக இருந்தேன். 13ஆம் வயதில் கஸ்தூரிபாய் என்னும் பெண்ணை மணந்து கொண்டேன். நான் ஆப்பிரிக்காவில் வழக்கறிஞராக பணியாற்றியிருந்த பொழுது நான் பணியாற்றிய நீதிமன்றத்தில் தலைப்பாகை அணிந்து வர தடை விதிக்கப்பட்டது. இது என்னை மிகவும் பாதித்தது. நான் ஒருமுறை பக்கத்தில் உள்ள நகருக்கு செல்ல ரயிலில் முதல் வகுப்பில் சென்று கொண்டிருந்தேன். வெள்ளையேன் இல்லை என்ற ஒரே காரணத்தினால் என்னை வெளியேற்றிவிட்டார்கள். இது என்னை மிகவும் பாதித்தது. நான் இந்தியா திரும்பி இந்திய சங்கத்தை ஆரம்பித்து பல ஆப்பிரிக்க மக்கள், தமிழ் வாழ் மக்களுக்கு, இந்தியா வாழ் மக்களுக்கு நன்மை புரிந்தேன். மேலும் இந்தியாவில் திரும்பி சில பம்பாயில் சில நாட்கள் வழக்கறிஞராக பணிபுரிந்தேன். எனக்கு ஈடுபாடு இல்லாத காரணத்தினால் அரசியலில் இறங்கினேன். 1930ஆம் ஆண்டு உப்புக்கு ஆங்கிலேயர்கள் விதித்த வரியின் காரணமாக நான் சத்தியாகிரக போராட்டத்தில் ஈடுபட்டேன். அகமதாபாத்திலிருந்து 240 மைல்கள் தொலைவில் உள்ள தண்டி என்னும் கடற்கரை நகருக்கு கால்வழியே நடந்து சென்றேன். அங்கு சென்று நான் அகிம்சை வழியில் போராட்டம் நடத்தினேன். என் மன உறுதியையும் விடாமுயற்சியும் கண்ட ஆங்கிலேயர்கள் உப்புக்கு விதித்த வரியை திரும்பி எடுத்தனர். மேலும் என் அகிம்சை வழியை கண்டு என் மன உறுதியை கண்டு 1947ஆம் ஆண்டு ஆகஸ்ட் திங்கள் 15ஆம் நாள் இந்தியாவுக்கு விடுதலை அளித்தனர். நன்றி. ஜெய்ஹிந்த்.
Today, 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Today, we shall go over the path traversed by Mahatma Gandhi through PowerPoint on education and modern life. Be the change you want to see in the world. First, you should change yourself to expect change in other people and the world. People took over violence. Gandhiji was the change, and he also changed the nation through the path of non-violence. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Gandhiji gives this quote from ancient Indian philosophy and from the lifestyles of great visions. The underlying principle is self-sacrifice. There is no school equal to a decent home, and no teacher equal to a virtuous parent. Home is our first school. We get a cue from our family cradle. Parents are our first teachers, from whom we take our cultural habit. Home is our first school, where we learn the primary education of life. Wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, knowledge without character, commerce without morality, science without humanity, worship without sacrifice, politics without principle. These are the 7 deadly sins put forward by Mohandas Gandhi. If we want to impart education best suited to the needs of the villages, we should take the Vidyapit, that is, university, to the villages. Villages are the backbone of our country. When villages get educated, the nation gets educated. Improve the village and the nation gets improved. Non-violence is the weapon of the strong. Non-violence is a strange weapon which baffled the world yesterday as well as today. We have seen the path traversed by Mahatma. To lead a successful life and to bring the nation to its pinnacles, we have to follow the examples and morals put forward by the father of our nation. There is no God higher than truth. On behalf of Velangani Metric High Secondary School, Bargur, we wish you all the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhiji. Thank you. Jai Hind.